Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create Google Analytics account for Blogger. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, what you need to do once you log into your google.com, you just need to search over here Google Analytics, or you can also search that in your URL analytics.google.com. Once you search that, just click on Start Measuring and make sure to log into the same account where you have logged into your Blogger account. Once you log into your account, you might end up over here. Here you can see you just need to enter the account details and your account name actually. So I'm going to write over here. After that, you can just click on this one. This is all about like if you want to get email or product and services from Google. If you want to check this, you can also do that. After that, just click on next. Later on, you just need to enter your property name. So I'm gonna write Pro Learner. After that, just leave it as it is. In my opinion, just go with the currency US dollar and report your time zone also. After that, click on next. Here you are going to describe which industry your business belong to. So I'm going with the computer and electronics, and after that just enter the amount and the business size you have for the employees. I'm going with the small one and click on next. Here you are going to tell analytics your business objectives. So for this tutorial, I'm going with the random one, but if you have a business objective about generating leads or drive online sales or raise brand awareness, so you can go with any one of them. So I'm going with this one, raise brand awareness, because I'm going to use my blog to convey some message. Click on create, and after that you just need to select your own country over here and make sure to accept the terms and services from Google. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So this is the last tab, as you can see, data collection. So obviously we are going with the website, and we have Android and iOS application also, but obviously we are going to connect our blogger, so it belongs to website. Once you click on this, you just need to wait for a while to pop up something like this, and here you are going to enter your URL and your stream name. So in my case, I'm going to paste my blog URL over here. So I'm going to go back, click on this one. I'm going to copy my URL, go back and paste that over here. Make sure to write www at front, and after that, this is the blog URL I have, and I'm going to write, and later on just click on create stream. After that, you will end up over here. This is where you can install manually, and if you have the website from WordPress or somewhere else, you can use with this method. As you can see, if you have Shopify and Wix, you can use this method, but obviously we are going to use Blogger, so we are just going to copy this code. Once you copy that, go back to your Blogger, go to themes, click on this arrow, click on edit with HTML, and after that at the top you will find at the fourth line head. Make sure to enter after that so we can make the fifth line, and we are going to paste that over here. Once we paste that, click on the top right corner, save. Once it's saved, go back to Google Analytics, and here you can see that we just connected our blog on Google Analytics, but obviously there is no data received in past 48 hours because it would take at least 48 hours to work on Google Analytics with Blogger. So make sure you need to wait for a while once it start working. After that, just click on next, click on continue to home, and you will end up over here. Here you will see all the measurement related to your website, and on the left side we have reports and explore and advertising. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to create Google Analytics account for Blogger. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.